Hey boys and girls, Mr. Novotny again. I hope everyone's doing well. Today we're going to play a game called pool, but it's not like the pool that you swim in. It's the game of pool that's played on a big table. It's also called billiards. For this activity, you will need your wrapping paper roll again, toilet paper roll. If you have your paper towel roll, you can just cut them down, or you can use cups, but you're going to need 6 of them. And you'll also need 2 balls. All right. This is not a normal baseball. This is kind of a squishy ball, a stress ball. And this is just a normal lightweight blue ball that you'd maybe find in a ball pit. If you don't have those, we did our handy dandy dice. You can always use your dice. It may not roll, but it'll add to your fun. When making your pool table, a pool table is rectangle in shape. So we're going to set up our paper towel rolls in a rectangle. So I'm going to put 3 on one side. 1, 2, 3. Here's my long side of my rectangle. 1, 2, 3. These are the holes like you'd see at a pool table. Maybe if you're at a restaurant, or maybe in a parent's basement, grandparent's basement. I'm going to use 2 balls. The white ball on a billiards table is the ball that you hit. It's called the cue ball, and you hit it with your cue stick. So I'm going to put the ball down. The blue ball, I'm going to try to get it into or hit that paper towel roll. So I'm going to use my hand-eye coordination. I'm going to get down nice and low. I'm going to slide my pool cue back and forth to hit the white ball. I want the white ball to hit the blue ball, and I'm trying to get the blue ball to hit that paper towel roll or that toilet paper roll. Let's see if I can do it. Ooh, pretty close. You can set it up any way you want. Maybe if you're a little bit younger, kindergarten, first, second graders, you can move the ball so you have a nice straight line. You can try contacting the ball that way. Yes, got it. If you're a little bit older, make it a little bit harder. Separate the balls. Hit it so you have to hit it on an angle, and the ball has to give a good trajectory towards our hole. So let's see if I can get it on an angle shot this time. It'll be a little bit more difficult, maybe for older students. All right, that was close. You got to make your own fun. I know you guys are watching me do these videos, but it's important you do these videos. Pass the time by having fun. Simple things you guys have around your house. Knock them down, set them up, repeat. Enjoy your bedroom billiards.